Hi everyone, today we will look another part of chapter 8, measures of dispersion for ungrouped data. That is, compare and interpret two or more sets of ungrouped data based on the appropriate measures of dispersion. So now we look example 14. You can refer your textbook at page 234. The table below shows the time taken by 20 employees in two factories to complete a job. So given here, factory A and factory B. So for 5 hours, there are 3 workers in factory A and 1 workers in factory B. For 6 hours, there are 2 workers in factory A and 5 workers in factory B. And for 7 hours, there are 9 employees in factory A and 7 employees in factory B. For 8 hours, there are 2 in factory A and 5 in factory B. And 9 hours, got 4 employees and in factory A and 2 employees in factory B. Okay, working for 9 hours. So here you have to calculate the mean and standard deviation for the time taken to complete the job. So hence determine which factory employees are more efficient to complete the job. Justify your answer. So what you must do, first we find for factory A. So you want to find which factory is more efficient. We have to compare the standard deviation. So first, before we find standard deviation, the first step is to find the mean. So how to find mean of factory A? Okay, factory A, you want to find the mean. Okay, you take 5 times 3 plus weight 6 times 2 plus weight 7 times 9 plus weight 8 times 2 plus weight 9 times 4 divisible by total employees. Okay, total employees here you get got 20, yeah. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 4, 20. So when you calculate this, you get 7.1 mean. Then we find standard deviation. Standard deviation, we square the hour, not the employees. We square the hour. 5 square times 3 plus 6 square times 2 plus with 7 square plus 9 times with 8 square times 2 plus with 9 square times 4. Okay, divisible by total employees, that is 20 minus mean square. So standard deviation for factory A is 1.261. Then we find for factory B. Factory B, first we find mean. So mean, the first one here, hours 5 times weight 1. Then plus weight 6 times weight 5. Then 7 plus weight 7 times weight 7. Then plus weight 8 times weight 5. Then plus weight 9 times weight 2. Then divisible by total employees in factory B. So you get 7.1, the mean. So mean for factory A and factory B are same, 7.1. So now we find standard deviation. Standard deviation, you square the hours. So 5 square multiply with 1 plus with 6 squares multiply with 5. Then 7 squares multiply with 7. Then 8 square multiply with 5. Then 9 square multiply with 2. Plus all these values. Then divisible by total employees. That is 20 minus mean square. So standard deviation of factory B will be 1.044, smaller than standard deviation of factory A. So when the standard deviation is smaller, shows that the employees in that factory are more efficient. So the employees in factory B are more efficient because its standard deviation is smaller. So you want to know which is more efficient, the standard deviation must be smaller. So I hope you understand this topic. So thank you for watching.